In this video, I will show you how to search in the database Criminal Justice Abstracts with full text, as well as other Ebsco databases. To begin, I'm going to go to the library homepage, scroll down, and click on the icon marked Databases. On the A to Z databases list, I'm going to click on the letter C and then on the link for the database Criminal Justice Abstracts with full text. This database looks similar to other Ebsco databases, including CINAHL, Greenfile, Teacher Reference Center, and SocINDEX, because they're all made by Ebsco. Searching in each of these databases will work in pretty much the same way, so the topics covered in this video should work in the other Ebsco databases as well. The first thing we want to do in this database is put in the keywords that we want to search for. For example, I'm going to enter body cameras and police in the search box, and then I'll click search. Our search brought up over 300 results, which is a lot to look through, but thankfully the database has some options for limiting the results that we see on this page to the left. For example, we can click to limit to just show articles with linked full text, which means that the database will only show us articles that are available to read in full text right now. You can also limit to just show scholarly or peer-reviewed journals, which is useful if you're doing a project where you need to use a certain number of scholarly journals, or if you're only allowed to use scholarly journals. You can also limit the publication date of the resources that you see with this slider. To adjust the date, you can either grab onto the blue boxes of the slider, or you can just type a new date in the From and To boxes. Currently, we're looking at results published from between 2010 and 2021, but we could also enter this to just show the last 5 years of results by changing the 2010 to 2016 and clicking the Enter key. You can also limit by source types if you want to look specifically at magazine articles, academic journals, or reviews. Once you narrow your results down, you can start looking at the articles in more depth. To find out more about the articles, you can click on the title of the article. Each article's page will give you a little bit of information about the article, including the title, authors, source it was published in, and type of document. This page will also provide an abstract, which is a short summary of the article. If you would like to save or come back to the article later, you can use the tools on the right-hand side of the screen. To save a link to the article to come back to it later, you can click on the permalink icon, which is here and looks like chain links. The permalink will open at the top of this page. You can also email yourself a copy of the article using the email option and filling in your email in the Email To box. This database also has automatically generated citations, which you can access using the Cite button, and then scrolling down to your preferred citation style and copying and pasting the citation. If we have the full text of the article, it will be available here in the upper left-hand corner. If there is no link to the PDF and it only says 360 link to full text, the article is not available in this database. You can click on the 360 link to full text to see if we have the article in a different database. If that link says that the article is not available, you can always request a copy through interlibrary loan. If you have any questions about searching in the database Criminal Justice Abstracts with full text or any other Ebsco databases, please contact the library.